This is a full tour of a Queens Grill Penthouse Suite on Cunard's Queen Victoria. Queens Grill is Cunard's equivalent of first class. Right, let's get our bearings. This is Suite 4106 on deck 4, midships on the port side. And first of all, we come to this desk area. One of the Queens Grill perks is the stateroom card wallets. You also get a butler and assistant butler, as were Leo and Rex, so we called them the Lion King. And that was our captain, Martin Sharples. We were in very good hands on this voyage. Over here is the wet bar area, fully replenished twice a day. Marble countertop, Harrogate mineral water, kettle and a Neely coffee machine. The pods are stored in here. You also get Walker's biscuits. There's 4 varieties and you get 2 at your butler's whim. You never know what you're going to get. Here you can select 2 complimentary bottles of spirits or wine. Once they run low, you simply choose again, although we didn't get that far, on this voyage anyway. And you can choose fruit for your fruit bowl. Everything in the fridge is complimentary too, and your butler keeps fresh ice and lemon in here, ready for your 5 o'clock somewhere. So this suite is a Q3 category suite. And this is the sitting area. An embarkation, you receive these rather fancy chocolates. Queen's Grill guests also receive afternoon canapes each day. I've eaten one of them, but here's another example from a different evening. And only in Queen's Grill do you receive proper champagne on embarkation. Laurent Perrier, no less. That sofa converts into a single bed, although the third guest definitely isn't complimentary. The bedroom area can be configured either as king or twins. The mattress is made by Sealy, and you can actually buy it. The Cunard mattress is described as medium firm, pocket sprung and hand tufted. And if anyone knows what hand tufted means, please do let us know in the comments. You'll notice there are no reading lights here, and no USB or USB-C either. That may well change during her refurbishment later this year. This is the dressing area, very well lit, with 2 large mirrors and additional drawer storage underneath. There are 2 televisions, and although this curtain divider may look a bit dated, it was actually extremely useful. More storage here, and the safe was a very good size and easy to use. Curious to Travel is a channel about Cunard, immersive journeys and practical travel advice, so do subscribe if that sounds like your sort of thing. And now, the walk-in wardrobe. The blankets are especially useful on the balcony, like on our Northern Lights voyage, which I've linked above. Fluffy Cunard robes and slippers. Life jackets, let's hope they're not needed. Even an umbrella. They thought of everything. The bathroom has a jacuzzi bath, separate shower, and marble effect tiling throughout. The toiletries are from Penhaligon's Quirks range. These aren't exclusive to Queen's Grill, by the way. All guests receive them. Although, if you prefer traditional soap, just ask. Queen's Grill suites tend to cost between £800 and £1,200 per night, depending upon the voyage. There's a closing door through to another bathroom area, this time with the loo and sink. It's a single marble sink with a well-lit large mirror. More Penhaligons, this time the hand wash and lotion. The air conditioning worked well, and there's a full-length mirror. You can see this suite is oddly circular, so you could theoretically pursue each other forever. And finally, the balcony. Just look how large it is. One of the nice quirks of Deck 4 is that the balcony projects slightly outward from the ship, making it extra wide and giving you a direct vertical view upwards. That was a real bonus on our Northern Lights voyage. I hope you found this tour helpful. If you have any questions, do ask in the comments below. And if you'd like to see Cunard's newest interpretation of a Queens Grill Suite aboard Queen Anne, you can click here. Thank you very much for watching. I'm David from Curious to Travel. Stay curious.